Hello everyone, and welcome back to another drawing time at INKroverts. This time I'm drawing the character Cherribomb from Hazbin Hotel. It is my second fan art in a row, isn't it? Last time I did Jin Sakai from Ghost of Tsushima, and now this is another fan art. I thought that I could relax a bit and not think too much about the meaning behind the artwork. I have to imagine a lot of things and then try to plan out what characters and what environment is included in an artwork when I'm drawing original illustrations. But now that I'm drawing fan art, I can just not think too much about these sort of things and just focus on having fun and drawing in general. And anyway, I sketched out the draft from my sketchbook first. It was really late at night and I was about to go to bed, and then the idea hit me and I thought, why not draw a Hazbin Hotel fan art? And then, which character do I want to draw? Well, my name is Cherri, so why not draw Cherri? And then things happened, and then the rest is history and you're watching this video. Anyway, why draw Hazbin Hotel fan art in the first place? Well, aside from the fact that I like the animation, the story is pretty fun in general, and the characters are as well. Hazbin Hotel also motivated me to try animation again. I saw some of the behind the scenes and I got motivated to try to animate again. The last time I tried animation was back when I was first starting this channel, and because I never officially learned animation at school or at anywhere, I just click on some YouTube videos and try animatics and animations myself. And so you can imagine my first attempt was quite terrible. The quality is not what I first anticipated. But now that I'm motivated again, hopefully I can do a better job than last time. I'm actually in the process of doing my animation and hopefully it can come out next month. Anyway, back to this artwork. I'm doing line art right now, and compared to the last few attempts, my line art here was much cleaner, and I was actually trying to draw a coherent line each time instead of sketching chunks of lines every time I draw something. I was careless about the line work before because I didn't think they matter very much, because my style is that I'm not going to show any lines at the end of my drawing. I'm just going to show mainly colored shapes around. If you see my other artwork and if you see the beginning where I show the complete artwork, is that you don't see any lines, and so I thought that I didn't have to pay much attention about lines. I just sketch out roughly where I want things to be and then leave things at that. But now I try to have a cleaner line art, and surprisingly it made things easier for me. It made the coloring easier because I used the bucket tool after I finished line work, and then the bucket tool detects all my lines, and at the end I spend much less time doing correction and much less time going back and forth to clean things up. So yeah, clean line work helps. And I actually got the idea from other artists where they don't show line work as well at the end, and they also did a clean line work. And before I was thinking, why would they put the effort to have such clean lines when they don't even show it at the end? Now I see their point. Anyway, the second thing is the lighting, the backlight sort of lighting. I got the idea when I was looking for reference pictures, and I saw this portrait is using backlight, which means that the light is coming from the back of the character, and so her front is mostly in shadows. And I thought it was quite cool, and thought why not use this fan art to experiment that. And here you can see my attempt. I'm actually quite satisfied with it. At first I thought it was quite risky, most of the front is in a dark value, and as audience you probably won't be able to make out anything from far away or when you're looking at the artwork when it's very small. But I think I pulled it off. Hopefully you can comment below if I'm wrong. Anyway, speaking of value, is something quite valuable, no pun intended, I learned from my online art course, and the tutor there put quite an emphasis on the importance of value. There were multiple assignments where most of the assignments, he wanted us to practice on paying attention to value and manipulating the value composition so that you, as the audience, can look at the image without feeling dizzy because the light and shadow is scattered everywhere with no focus. But now, hopefully, you can see that the focus is on her face because that's where most contrast are located. Again, comment below if you think I'm wrong. Please, I need to learn. Really, feel free to comment below if you don't like anything in this drawing. Most of us are learning, and especially me as an amateur. And that's pretty much what I want to talk about here. I'm going to leave you to enjoy the video with the music, and I'll be back right about the end where I just talk about a few things more, and I'll see you there. thank you so much for watching to this point. I actually lost the footage of where I did the color dodge and final color adjustments. I was using the software Ocam to record my drawing process, but suddenly when I was doing the final adjustments, it just crashed, and so the whole footage was lost. Thankfully I didn't do the whole recording in one go, otherwise this whole video would not be able to exist. But anyway, the color dodge thing and the final adjustments are pretty small things, but it just make the picture pop, but it's not very, I'd say, important. The most important part is the coloring, and you already seen it, so you didn't miss much. Sorry about that. I'll try to make sure that I record everything next time. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, thumbs up this video or subscribe to my channel. If you don't like it, just thumbs it down so that I know whether you like it or not. You can follow me on Instagram, or you can visit my website as shown here, and we'll see you next time. Bye!